Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video that we can do for Audi A4, Q5 and A5 with non-MMI radio system, which is Audi Concert. So we add backup camera, replacing trunk handle as usual, and our interface can do. Right now we are using Android phone, and right now we are doing the Android Auto. So by controlling the knob, we can go to the menu. We can scroll left, right, and choose whatever we want. I'm going back. Right now I can do between two apps, like I can choose Waze or I can choose Google Maps. Right now I'm choosing Google Maps. By choosing it, I'm going to Google Maps and using the factory screen, not the replacing screen. And by clicking on return, I can go back to menu, and by scrolling left right with the knob, I can go to phone, I can go to music, or I can go back to home. As I'm going back home now, and return, I can go to music if I have music on Google Play, or I can have music on whatever I downloaded on my phone. I can use it. And going to reverse, it goes to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. And by going to park, it goes back again to Android Auto. Okay, right now I want to try the iPhone to do Apple Carplay. So we take out the USB cable that we add to the car. So we take out the cable, and just remember, you need auxiliary to be able to have the sound for these guys. Right now this is the main menu. We can go to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, and right now I'm doing my Apple CarPlay. It's connected to my phone. I got a phone, so I have to cancel it now. So that's Apple CarPlay, and still I can use the knob to do Apple CarPlay. I go to Maps. Also we install one microphone, and the microphone is built into the factory spot of the microphone. So I can use Siri. Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, so I go back to our video again. So we can add destination. We can go to 3D maps. Basically we can do whatever we want to do, like we can go to Spotify. So many options. And the other feature that we can add multimedia USB to this unit too. So I'm gonna plug in my USB multimedia, disconnect the Apple CarPlay. Right now multimedia is connected, so I can choose between songs or videos.
Job. We try to save as many people as we can. Sometimes that doesn't mean everybody. But you don't give up.
And by clicking the nav button, I can go back to the factory mode, and I can go back to my radio or whatever I used to listen. And again, by touching the nav button for a few seconds, I go back to the aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get these type of interfaces, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. And on the factory mode, we go to reverse, it shifts to backup camera too. Thank you and have a great day.